everyone, this is my dorm room. You're tuning in for my dorm room floor, and this is my week 6 preview. This week we learn about coordinating systems, changing momentum in coordinate systems, curving motions, and like kinetic sensations. So basically, what I didn't know anything in this entire week preview videos, but what I did know. So what I did know is I know how to code in Python. So watching the lab 2 video was really insightful because I was like, okay. And the lab 3, this one had like, it was a mix of lab 2 and 3. And I was like, okay, I can understand the code, the concepts, not so much. So to help further my knowledge with these concepts, I watched a couple of YouTube videos. I still don't really understand what's happening in week 6. I watched a couple of Khan Academy videos and I'm still stumped. So I'm going to wait until we actually get the lecture next week. So like in week 6. So what did we learn in this week? I didn't really tell you what we learned. So basically one of the big things I want to hit is, we learned something like parallel and perpendicular, right? And also what I already knew before this thing was parallel and perpendicular, the symbols. But I didn't really know that you could do like when, what was it, positions changing, you could do like the delta of position parallel plus the delta position perpendicular, which was like, what? I didn't know that was a thing. And velocity, when velocity isn't 0, that means like the object speeding up and slowing down. And I already kind of knew that, but it plays more into like, because a lot of the stuff we're gonna analyze is in like a parabola, upside down parabola. So it like changes with the perpendicular and parallel as it goes around. And I was like, wow. So how does this relate to my field of study? So in my field, I guess we could analyze like animatronics, right? And if like the new Spider-Man animatronic that goes in Disneyland that like flies in the sky and somehow lands and sometimes it misses, well, we would use these fundamental equations to see the distance, or like how fast is Spider-Man at like 0.1 seconds in his time of flight, as I would call it. So is there anything else that I didn't hit on? Oh, also, we relate this to FNet, because if FNet is 0, that means, well, no, let me rephrase this. If FNet isn't 0, that means that the position and velocity are changing. And there must be a cause if the object is like speeding up or slowing down. That's one of another really big things that happened in this lecture. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Tune in next week.